Anjuman Islah-e-Muashara has demanded the authorities concerned to insert Meitei Pangal community in the list of the indigenous communities written in the recently erected indigenous pillar at Sawombung in Imphal district. Addressing a press meet held today at the office of All Meitei Pangal Youth Association AMPYA located at KWAKTA, Anjuman Islah-e-Muashara Publicity Secretary Maulana Ayasuddin Fundarmayum, who spoke on behalf of various Meitei Pangal communities, further asked the authorities to remove the indigenous pillar if Meitei Pangal community are not enlisted in the names of indigenous communities of the state. Citing the inclusion of Meitei Pangal as one of the indigenous communities of the state in the Gazette notification of the state government, he asked the motive behind the removal or sidelining of Meitei Pangal community in the list of the indigenous communities written in the indigenous pillar. The Anjuman Islah-e-Muashara Public Secretary also demanded the government to take action against the Federation of Haumi for allegedly attempting to create division among the communities in the state.